The man behind the conference joins me now. Jonathan Moore, Managing Director for Metals and Minerals here in San Francisco, joins me. Jonathan, thanks so much for being with us.
Pleasure to be here, and thanks so much for joining us again this year in San Francisco.
So tell me, the show just started, but what do you feel the vibe is like so far?
Vibe is pretty good. I mean, I think we're looking obviously at a challenging market. I think the good thing about a challenging market is that the folks that come to an event like this, in a market like this, are savvy investors who are committed to the space. And so I think what we'll see is really strong dialogue between the companies that are here and our attendees.
What do you think are some topics that will really be discussed? Obviously, everyone's concerned about where's gold headed, but besides the obvious.
Yeah, I mean, I think obviously trends and when the bottom is, or if this is the bottom and when things will start to come through, will be a key force. I think people are interested in seeing what's happening with the companies right now and how they're managing through these processes. Listen to Frank Holmes' keynote this morning. He talked about the impact of the global economy and what's happening in China and India and how that's going to be a catalyst for growth for us. So I think all the long-term indicators are still very, very positive. I think the question is what happens next and how fast.
Exactly. Obviously, we know mining companies are hurting. Gold not looking so great right now. What are your thoughts heading into the new year?
Yeah, my hope is that we'll start to see a slow, steady trend towards the upside. I think we see a lot of capital that is sitting on the sidelines waiting to be put to work. Obviously, this market hasn't changed long term. I think that there's investors that are out there that are here at this event looking to find those opportunities. And so right now, I think one of the things that investors are seeing are the companies that are left and working and active have good balance sheets, strong management, and those are the companies that investors should be looking at in this type of a marketplace.
You also have some big names here at the show. Ron Paul up on the bill. Who else do you think people should listen to?
Yeah, Dr. Paul, obviously very exciting to have a nationally known political figure who not only is an advocate of this space, but puts his own resources to work in it. So it's always great to have something like that. As I mentioned, Frank Holmes kicked off this morning. We have Rick Rule, Jim Dines. So again, our event is about putting those world-class leaders up on the stage and then marrying them, especially in this type of a market, with mining companies that have good, strong financials and solid management.
All right, Jonathan, finally, what's your next show?
Next show is our Investing in African Mining in Daba, which takes place in Cape Town, South Africa, February 3 to 6. It's the big event that we do each year, focused exclusively on mining in Africa, and one of the hallmark events on the calendar for global mining. So we're really excited about that one.
Well, we definitely hope to be at that one. Jonathan, thanks so much for being with us, and good luck at the show.
Fantastic. Always a pleasure. Thanks for being here.
And thanks for watching our initial coverage from the San Francisco Metals and Minerals Conference. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com. In the meantime, you can email me questions and comments you'd like me to ask the speakers here at newsfeedback@Kitco.com or follow me on Twitter at Daniela Cambone. Thanks for watching.